How to see login activity on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can see the login activity on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to see the login activity for your Snapchat account, all you have to do is open the Snapchat application here. Once you launch the Snapchat app, what you want to do is just simply tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen here. Once you do that, make sure to tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then scroll all the way to the very bottom until you look for this option here known as saved login info, and then just tap on save login info. When you are on this page, you should be able to see all the devices where your Snapchat account was logged in. So you can tap the cross icon next to that particular device here, and then you should be able to log out successfully from those devices. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically check your login activity on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.